Welcome. If you want to record sounds in your REALME C11, for the first you have to open the Tools folder and then tap on the Recorder application. Tap on the Agree, and right now just click Allow and tap on this button to start your record. Right now the smartphone is recording sounds. If you want to finish, just click here. Right now we can rename our record, tap on Save, and here we can just check how it works.
Right now the smartphone is recording sounds. If you want to finish, just click.
Right here we can just go back or just speed up. We can also mark something if it is important for you, but also we can trim. Right, if you want to delete this one here and here. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.